the faculty at speed. It was very good, sir. There was a rapid revision kind of thing. My teachers who guided me, my seniors and juniors as well. Of course, the faculty at speed.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of Speed Medical Institute to you for scoring a topmost rank #1. Congratulations to you, doctor, and best wishes from Speed Medical Institute to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Doctor, can we know a brief background about yourself from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm from Delhi. I've done my MBBS from Maulana Azad Medical College, New Delhi, following which I did my MD in internal medicine from PGI Chandigarh. And this was my first attempt, and I secured the seat.
Great, doctor.
The reason why I chose medicine in the first place, and I feel it has the balance of everything of emergencies, critical care, OPDs, transplant, and as well as some procedures as well.
Great, doctor. Can we know what all you did, your preparation strategies and mode when you started preparation? Can you share something on that?
Yes, sir. So my MD finished in August only. So my dedicated preparation started after that. So around 3 months of dedicated preparation for the exam. I used to solve MCQ'S as well and give grand tests. In the exams where I attempted all questions, I don't feel like leaving any question because I feel like every question that I leave is an opportunity that I've missed. So I attempted all questions.
Fantastic, great.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the message that you want to give for the students or future aspirants?
Yes, sir. I think that it's not impossible. If you give it your heart, if I can do it, you can do it as well. So it just needs around 3 to 6 months of dedicated preparation, and dedicated means that you put your heart and soul into it.
Great, doctor. Time to thank, and whom all you want to thank. They have helped you, have been with you from day one
Yes.
till date in your career. You can use this platform to do so.
Yes, sir. Definitely my parents are they're like God to me. Then my family, my friends have stood by me through MD as well as the post MD period. My teachers who have guided me, my seniors and juniors as well, and of course the faculty at speed.
Great, doctor. Once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success for
Thank
your
you, sir.
great career. And thanks
Thank
for
you.
sharing valuable information for the students. And we wish you once again all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you. Thank you.